Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the world. I express my gratitude from the bottom of my deep heart to the Miss Istiqomah Nur Rahmawati, MPD, as my examiner, and then Miss Dewi Kurniawati, MPD, as co examiner 1, for giving me a valuable chance so that I can present my thesis proposal in front of you all. Thank you for this great opportunity to deliver the present under title, The Influence of Auditory Intellectual Repetition Learning Model on Listening Skills of Junior High School Students. My name is Alifami Ayu Delstari with MBM 21104-0005 from English Education Study Program, Faculty of Tarbiyah, Teacher Training and Education, UIN Rodengan Lampung 2024. Will present my PPT. The first is research background. The obstacles faced by student in listening skills are that students still find it difficult to determine important information from the material. They listen to because of the lack of student concentration in listening. When students take part in listening lessons, many are sleepy and do not respond to learning because of boring listening materials. The learning disorders, both internal and external disorders, are also one of the obstacles to student listening success. Responding to this problem, it is necessary to design listening learning by collaborating material with learning models to achieve listening goals. In this research, the researchers tries to collaborate the auditory intellectual repetition learning model in learning to listen to children. And next, there is research question. Based on the background research question, there is there any significant influence of using auditory intellectual repetition model in listening skills using the listening team method in junior high school? And then there is research objective. The purpose of this research is to find out whether there is an effect of the application of auditory intellectual repetition learning model on listening comprehension ability of junior high school students, and researchers have to help students to make effective learning in the listening activities. And the next is research benefits. The first is for students. The benefits that student will get is adding new experience with the application of a learning model in teaching and learning activities. Motivating students to play an activities role in teaching and learning activities in class and increase student listening comprehension ability. And the second is for the teacher. The teacher will get an overview of the model and apply it in the listening process. The third is for school. The school will get a contribution to improve quality of English language learning at school with application of auditory intellectual repetition learning model. And the last is for future researchers. These researchers can be a reference material for further research related to the learning model of auditory intellectual repetition learning model or student listening comprehension ability. And next, there is theoretical foundation. The learning theory that supports the auditory intellectual repetition learning model is ensemble theory and Thorndike theory. Ensemble theory is known for meaningful learning and the importance of repetition before the lesson begins, while Thorndike theory reveals the law of practice that stimulus and response will have a strong relationship with each other if the repetition process often occurs. And next is research method. This research uses experimental research. The design used is quasi-experimental design with non-equivalent control group design type. In this design, both classes were given a pretest and post-test. In this design, the experimental group and control group were not randomly selected. And next is object of research. The object of this research is junior high school students by using experimental class groups and control class groups. The data collection technique was carried out by pretest and post-test. And the last is thank you. As human being, I realize that I can avoid the mistakes, so I apologize to you all, and I don't forget to say thank you so much for your next attention. That is all my presentation, please forgive me. My biggest mistake in my presentation. At lastly, I want to request to all of you to give me a suggestion and comment about my research paper. I can fulfill 100% target successfully. The last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.